Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Jessie. I hope you're all doing super amazing. I make a couple of videos every single week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button if you do want to see more videos from me, and also turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. In today's video, I've got another Doyoueven haul for you guys, and today we've got the first look of the new colorways in the dyestretchlite collection. So we've got our package here. I do have a discount link for you guys as well, so make sure you use the code Jesscbee for 10% off, and I will also be linking the discount link and the code in the description down below, along with my measurements and all the items that I've mentioned in the video today. The new colorways of the dyestretchlite has just dropped this Thursday, 25th of February at 12 PM. And I know some of you guys will be asking about the set I'm currently wearing as well. This is also from Doyoueven, so head over to the link and get yourself a discount. Now, the dyestretchlite collection is one of the most comfortable sets ever, and I'm super excited. Let's dive in. We have 3 different colorways here. There's a total of 5. And I'm going to start with this one, which is the grey Marl. Both the crop top and the leggings are in a size extra small. Honestly, the dyestretchlight is such a smooth material. It keeps you comfortable and stable when you move, flex or stretch. And let's have a look at the sports crop. This is a classic racer back design with thick straps. It's got the branded waistband, removable cups and padding, made of super soft form-fitting material. It's lightweight, breathable, and made of a 4-way stretch material, so it's super flexible and stretchy. On top of that, it's moisture wicking and quick drying. So this one is made of nylon and spandex. Moving on to the matching leggings, these are high-waisted. Again, with the super soft form-fitting material, super flattering. It's lightweight, breathable, moisture wicking. There's no elastic on the side of the waistband for a smoother fit, and it's got this thing inside where it stops you from having a camel toe. These are full-length leggings with the bold logo down the side. I am absolutely adoring this grey colour. This set is so soft, so comfy, it's so smooth. The sports crop in a size extra small fits perfectly. It's super easy to put on, it accentuates your curves and shows off your back. I love the contrast of the light grey and the white, simplistic, minimal, and just goes so well together. The leggings, they feel like a dream. They are so comfortable, so soft. You can definitely even wear this at home as loungewear. It's just so comfy. The waist section is so smooth and it lies flat on your skin, so it actually doesn't dig into your stomach. And the length of it is amazing. It's not too long, even though they're full length. Such a beautiful little set. So the next set we have here is in the colour jet black. Both the leggings and the crop top are in a size extra small. I don't know about you guys, but black is an absolute staple in my gym sets. This is in the exact same material, racer back design with the contrast waistband. This one's in black and orange. The crop tops are in a medium support, so they do cater for a range of different activities and exercises. The racer back shows off your shoulders, super flattering, it's really stretchy, also has the removable cups. And this is just so soft. As with the matching leggings, these are just super versatile. They're so comfortable, so stretchy. So again, these are super high-waisted, and because there's no elastic around the hem, these are so comfortable to wear. Also with the matching contrast of the orange logo on the back and a big Doyoueven logo on the side of the leg. Super stretchy, super soft. The black set, super duper cute, an absolute staple. Definitely crushing on this orange detail here. Absolutely love it. The contrast of the band. The material of this set is still smooth, but it's definitely not as smooth as the grey ones we just tried. So with the solid colours, they're a lot more compressive, while the Marl fabrics use a different blend, which is brush softer, it's less slippery and more stretchy. The crop fits exactly the same as the other one. It fits amazing. It's super flattering, supportive, and the leggings just fit me so perfectly in terms of the length. It's so comfortable around around the waist. I love how the orange gives it a little pop of color on the black, and it's definitely super flattering. It knows how to hug you in all the right places. So onto the purple set. This is also both in a size extra small. This is such a beautiful color, and it's got the pink contrast waistband at the bottom. I actually tried on one of these in one of my previous videos, but it was too big for me because it was a size small. So this time I got it extra small because I absolutely loved it, and this time it'll fit. Exact same design, racer back, removable padding, contrast waistband, 4-way stretch, lightweight, breathable, and I am absolutely loving this color combination. So the stretch light also comes with shorts, and these are the cute little matching shorts. These booty shorts are slightly shorter than the Hyperflex series. These shorts are super compressive. It's got a high waistband for a flattering fit, super soft, form-fitting, lightweight, breathable material for high performance, 4-way stretch material, so it's extra stretchy. This also doesn't have the elastic around the edge of the waistband, so it's there for a smoother fit. And same with the leggings, it's got the logo on the back and the matching logo on the side. Super cute. This one is just one of the cutest sets ever. I love the color combination, the purple and the pink. And I love how all the other waistbands, including this one, has a metallic look to it. I think it adds a really nice touch. The crop top fits perfectly, just like all the others. Supportive, comfy. With this set, we've got the shorts. These are the booty shorts. They do fit a little shorter than some of the other shorts. It's got the same smooth, comfy waistband that lays flat on your skin. Fits perfectly around the waist and the legs. Because it is in a solid color, it's more compressive than the Marl ones as well, and it's just the cutest, most comfiest set ever. And I'm totally digging the pop of pink. So this now brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, what did you guys think about the new releases? Let me know in the comment section down below. Love to hear from you. Don't forget to use my discount code and discount link, which I will leave in the description, so you can save a bit of money. Like, subscribe, share if you enjoy my videos. It really helps me a lot, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye now, take care.